can agile and waterfall project management coexist? On the same product? No. On different products? Yes. Depending on the level of complexity that you're dealing with, different approaches will be more appropriate. If we have people who know what they're doing and they don't need any help from anybody, they can just crack on and do it, and waterfall is perfect for that. In fact, they can just crack on and do the work. If the situation is where, yeah, people know how to do the work, but actually they need to consult with other people on the team, or maybe get in some outsiders, they need to get other expertise, they need a number of experts to get together, to work together to figure something out. They probably will figure out the first time. Waterfall will work for that as well. Kanban, Scrum are also very comfortable in that space. When you get to the situation where even if all the experts get together, they still won't figure out the first time. There's lots of unknowns. We don't know who the customer is. We don't know for sure who will be using this. We don't know whether they like it. We don't know what they really want. We don't know how to do it. There's lots of unknowns. Don't even know if it's the right product, what the product is. Don't know if people will even pay for it. They want it to be free. If there's lots of unknowns, then you need to embrace uncertainty, and you also need fresh thinking. And waterfall is not about that. Waterfall is about predictability, everybody understanding what needs to be done. It also has a big focus on resource efficiency as opposed to flow efficiency. So agile and waterfall are like chalk and cheese in that regard. And some people do combine them, particularly with Scrum, for example, or fake Scrum, where the combination I often refer to, water, Scrum, fall. And that's probably the most toxic combination that you can have on the same product. Coexisting, what a recipe for disaster. It's the road to perdition, joining agile and waterfall, traditional project management together on different pieces of work completely, probably okay. Where there might be a little bit of wriggle room is, let's say there's a massive product and there's different work streams, and some parts of the product are just complicated. The experts get together, they'll figure it out. Maybe that work stream can work waterfall, but where it gets really messy is the people who do traditional project management, they tend to dominate conversations in terms of management thinking, when will it be done, certainty, things like that. So what I find is that they try to squeeze out all the uncertainty. They put risks on a risk register where risks fester and turn into issues, and we all know that. And they try to manage the uncertainty that way. It's a bit of a game, really. In the complex space, that doesn't really apply. And to deal with risk with agile, we like to bring risky items up to the top of a backlog. If you've got a product backlog, for example, and try to see what's going on with that risk really, really early. Combining the two of them together, it's like mixing oil and water. What a recipe for disaster.